Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present my business plan to you. My business plan is Warisian, that is Sharia compliant inheritance planning and distribution app. Okay, let's go. Welcome to our application. Our vision is to become the leading Islamic inheritance planning platform that empowers Muslim families to protect their wealth and distribute in according with Sharia principle. Our mission is to simplify Islamic inheritance planning through digital innovation, to provide transparent, ethical, and secure service rooted in Islamic jurisprudence. And the last is to foster social harmony by preventing inheritance related disputes. Okay. Our financial goals is raise an initial capital of IDR rupiah 1.45 billion for product development, marketing and legal compliance. Achieve break even with 1 years to target of uh, 2,000 premium users and cut 2.5% of net profit for zakat and channel a portion toward community education in Islamic inheritance. And the problem and the solution of my product is first is problem is inheritance these parts lack of awareness of Islamic law and absence of particle estate planning tools. And the solution is what is in a digital platform providing first is automated calculation tools, secure the document storage, smart contract integration, and the last is access to certificate legal advisor. My business is a digital platform operating within the Islamic fintech tech sector, financial technology. The core focus of the business is to provide inheritance planning and asset distribution service that comply with Islamic international law or ilmu mawaris. The company was established with the mission to solve the long-standing issue of inheritance disputes, lack of awareness of Islamic inheritance law, and the absence of partial tools to estate planning the Muslim community. And the SWOT analysis of my business is the strength is the first is compliance with Sharia principles and ethical practice. The second is certificated supervision, and the last is no involvement in haram industry. And the weakness is limited awareness of digital inheritance tools, and the opportunity is growing demand for Islamic fintech solution global, and the threat is competition from general estate planning and legal tech platform. Uh, the exit strategy is uh, the first is all users will given access to download and transfer their storage, inheritance plans and document to ensure continuity of planning. So legal and planning institution partners will be informed in advance to support transition user to alternative Sharia compliant service and asset liquidation and investor return and this after settling liability, remaining asset will be distributed to shareholder and investor according to agreed ratio. And the last is winding down with compliance, zakat obligation, and corporate social responsibilities or CSR. CSR will be uh, fulfilled storage final closeout. And my product and market analysis. Warisin is an innovative Islamic fintech solution that offer platform for Muslim to digitally plan, record, and execute inheritance distribution in line with Sharia law. And our target market is the first is middle and upper Muslim families. The second is young professional and entrepreneurs, also Islamic financial institution, and the last is legal practitioners and notaries. Our application features, the first is Sharia compliance inheritance calculator. These features allows users to input detailed family structures and asset data to calculate the appropriate distribution of inheritance shares based on Islamic jurisprudence of right. And the second features is smart contract distribution system. Uh, these features will automate the process of distributing inheritance using blockchain-based smart contracts once all required. And uh, number three of features is secure documentation vault. This feature allow users to safely upload and store essential legal documents such as wasiya, property certificate, and bank record and identity document. And the last features is educational research and legal consultant. This feature includes an integrated learning module with step-by-step guides, video tutorial, and infographic explain the Islamic inheritance law. Okay, next is industry trends, growth of Islamic economic sectors. The first is the Islamic economy is undergoing a robust expansion based on the State of the Global Islamic Economy Report 2023 by Dinar Standard. The global Islamic fintech market is expected to reach over US dollar over 128 billion dollar by 2025. And the competitor analysis of my product is uh, while several legal tech platform and Islamic finance app exists, Warisin occupies a unique niche by focusing especially on digital inheritance planning with full Sharia compliance. Exciting competitors may include mm, the first is general estate planning apps, and the number two is Islamic financial apps. General estate planning apps is these are not Sharia compliant and are tailored for Western legal system. And the Islamic financial apps is focused on investment and halal screening, but do not offer inheritance planning tools. Our marketing and sales strategy is the first is all branding and positioning. Position itself trustworthy and ethical Islamic fintech solution for inheritance planning. The branding emphasizes core Islamic values such as justice, adil, transparency, amanah, and family welfare. Maslahah al usratiyah. The app's name, logo, and design aesthetic are deeply rooted in Islamic identity. using calligraphic element, green and gold tone symboling purity and trust, and clear reference to Islamic principle messaging. Answers for Sharia compliance by integrating Islamic jurisprudence into its core system, inheritance calculation, contract execution, and legal document are designed under the supervision of Sharia advisor and creates a nice category of fight-based digital legacy planning platform designed by Muslim for Muslim. And the promotion strategies is the first is digital marketing, use CEO and content marketing, also influencer marketing, and the next is institutional partnership, also referral program, and the last is CSR based awareness. The five pricing strategy, the business avoid garor, exercise internally and gulu exorbitant pricing by offering clearly structured circuit tires. Basic plan that is free access in 1 month to the inheritance calculator and research. Premium plan paid features such as digital document vault, the consultant booking, and smart contract activation at affordable rates in IDR 49,000 until 99,000 per month. Lifetime family plan, no hidden fees. Our pricing reflects the service value, ethical responsibility, and operational sustainability. And this pricing philosophy also support inclusivity. Okay. Next, our operation and management, the business structure, the Islamic contract arrangement. Warisin adopt a Sharia compliant business model took the Mudharabah Muqayyadah, recited profit sharing partnership contract with investor. In this setup, investor, the Sahibul Mal, provide the capital while Warisin Mudharib is responsible for managing and operating the business based on the agreed objective. And the investment contract structure, the first is to ensure Sharia compliant financing and fair risk sharing with our investor. Warisin adopt the Mudharabah Muqayyadah contract model, and capital injection is 1.45 billion rupiah, billion rupiah, and also profit sharing ratio is uh, 60 percent warisin and 40% is investor. Also allocation is like mudharabah and murabah uh, akad, and the contract duration is 3 years, and exit option is withdrawal reinvestment or gradual shared ownership via musyarakah mutanafisah. And the key roles and responsibility is the first is CEO, also CTO, legal Sharia compliance officer, marketing manager, customer support system, and the last is finance officer. Okay. Uh, the next is financial plan. Financial plan. The first is application development cost. You can see in the table whatever application development cost we need. The first is UI/UX development, backend development, blockchain integration, cloud and server infrastructure, uh, and the total development is 7 uh, and the total development is 700 million. And this is our operational cost in 6 months. The first is office rent and utilities, also salaries like CEO, CTO, legal and support, and also administrative cost. And the total operational is 18 million. And the marketing and branding cost is the first is digital marketing, ad SEO, and now is legal and licensing cost. The first is licensing legal fees, consulting with Sharia board, and the total is 150 million. And the revenue model and profitability projection, revenue source. The first is premium subscription with goals is to 2,000 user. Also commission from financial institution and advertising and consultation. And the total revenue is 6 billion rupiah. And the revenue model is uh, you can see what is in revenue streams are projected to come from several sources. The first is premium subscription, uh, to 200,000 per usual annually. Commission for Islamic finance institution, there is 5% from related in retains financial transaction. And advertising consultation service is 1 million per $1 million per consultation session. Okay, the BIP analysis or peak event point is the point at which total revenue equals total cost. The BP calculation as follows. The first is total fixed cost is uh, 1 billion 90 30 million. Annual revenue per user 200 200,000. And variable cost per user is 50,000. And the BP formula is fixed cost price earning unit minus variable cost per unit, and the result is 12,000 1867, yeah, 67 users. And we can and with a target of 2,000 premium users in the first year, Warisin is projected to reach BEP within approximately 1.2 years. Okay, the financial plan, the next is zakat and social responsibility allocation. As Sharia compliant business, Warisin allocate a portion of its earning for religious and social responsibility. Corporate zakat is 2.5% net profit to registered zakat institution, also CSR program and productive wakaf. And the risk management is uh, Takaful Islamic Assurance as a risk mitigation strategy. To strengthen the risk resilience, Warisin partners with Takaful operators to offer Islamic insurance coverage on the platform key operational liability. This includes professional indemnity, Takaful for legal consultants and Syariah officers, cybersecurity, and business interruption Takaful for unexpected shutdown of technical fails. Progress mission Warisin is committed to upholding Islamic ethics while ensuring operational robustness, and stakeholder trust. Okay, guys, thank you for your attention. That's all for me. Sorry if I have a mistake in this presentation. Uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.